Hi everyone, my name is Stefan. This is my first post on YouTube and I'm gonna unbox the Razer Blade, Razer Stealth 13. It has I bought the i7 11th generation, the Tiger Lake, how they call it. I chose the 1080p panel with 120 Hz. I needed a small laptop for portability and just every now and then some games. So I'm gonna bring the box. Okay, I'm gonna put this on a stand. Okay, so let's see what we have in here. I'm excited because I never had before a Razer Blade. I know that they're saying that some people are saying that they are expensive and they are the Apple version on Windows in terms of price. Okay, so let's see. The power cord. We have the power adapter. I'm not gonna use those ones for now. Here we go. This small baby. Ooh, it's a little bit cold. Okay, so I'm gonna unwrap it and show it to you guys. Feels very nice. Yeah, like other people are saying that on the internet, fingerprint magnet. Oh, it has a, look at that. I think it looks nice. It's the Thunderbolt 4 one. I'm gonna update my channel when I'm gonna change the hard drive. I'm gonna install 1 terabyte of Samsung, and yeah, pretty much that's it. Brand new out of the box, serial number. Hope it's gonna last me for some time. Okay guys, thank you. Talk to you later.